G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's because I've just released their new pizza dogs. There's a few different flavours. I've ordered 2 of them. Let's go grab some, suss them out and see what they're like. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Some pizza dogs. Now they got 3 different ones. They got a plain one, they've got a double cheese one, and they've got a cheese and bacon one. I got the double cheese and the cheese and bacon. Now the standard pizza dog is $3. The double cheese one is $3.50 and the cheese and bacon is $4. Now they're pretty lightweight. I've got the scales. Let's see how much they do weigh. Alright, well before I weigh it, let's just take a look. Now this one, oh, what? Where's the cheese? Well, this one's probably the double cheese that I ordered, but on the picture they've got like squirts of cheese all over it. This doesn't have any cheese squirted all over it. Ah, oh, God. What the Maybe this one will be the one with the cheese on it and bacon. Oh, what? So they haven't put the cheese on this one either. It's supposed to have like the squirt of cheese all over it with the tomato sauce, with the bacon. And they've left the cheese off both of them. Why didn't I check before I left? Anyway, let's see how much this weighs. 90 grams. Well, that's good to know. Oh, I wonder what the one without the bacon weighs. 97 grams. All right. Well, there you go. So you're looking around the 90 to 100 gram mark. Now, they did tell me these were the first ones that they'd ever made. And they hadn't even made any practice runs before. So, yeah, that's not very good, Domino's. You're not training your staff very well. So, well, I can't, again, give a proper review of the cheese ones because there's no cheese on them. Let's try this one here. Well, for starters, it's supposed to be a Kranksky style dog. And that's the size of the sausage. Like, that's probably maximum 3 inches long.
That's what she said.
And there's the bun without the sausage in it. I know what your minds are thinking. Let's try this incorrectly made dog. Well, they're pretty chewy. That Kranksky has got some decent flavour though. I'm not minding this. Would have been great if they'd made it properly. I might save that half and go back and just show it to them and show them a picture of what it's supposed to look like. And maybe they'll, give me some replacement ones. But that was all right. Now, the one with the bacon, it's got the bits of bacon on the top there, which is looking all right. It tastes all right. A Kranksky is really herby. It's got a pretty good flavour. It tastes pretty good. Would have tasted better, I bet, with the cheese on it. You know what? I'm going to have to take them back and get them to at least squirt some cheese on so I can get the proper flavour. Let's go. All right, well, I went back and got some cheese sauce on them. So let's suss them out now. Oh, let's hope they did it right this time. Well, if you don't laugh, you'll just cry, won't you? They didn't replace them. They just squirted sauce on them. So there's the supposedly double cheese one. And here's the cheese and bacon one. So it's got a pizza dough crust too. Almost tastes donut-like, that crust. Without the sugar. Maybe a little bit of sugar. But it's pretty good. Anyway, let's try it with the cheese sauce. Can't really taste that cheese sauce, actually. Not very potent. Now the one with the bacon on it. Yeah. And they taste alright. You can see the sausage there. It's very small. It's only about 1 centimetre in diameter. But it looks and tastes alright. So I wonder what score I'm going to give these out of 10. Well, $4 for the one with bacon and $3.50 for the one with double cheese. For that price, it's a pretty good snack and, you know, enjoyable. Flavour-wise, well, I mean, the flavour's pretty good. The dough is, you know, a bit chewy and, well, the sausage is pretty small and, well, at least you can taste that little hot dog sausage there. And, well, I kind of preferred it without the cheese sauce, actually, the first time around. I mean, the one with the bacon, you can't really taste it that well, and altogether, I mean, it is what it is, really. It's sort of a bit of sausage stuck in some pizza dough. It tastes all right, though. I'm not minding it. Now, I don't know why they're called double cheese. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be cheese like where the hot dog is sitting as well, because, well, there wasn't any on either of these hot dogs, and who knows? So my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the pizza dogs. Well, I'm going to forgive them for not making them properly, because I was the first customer, first time they'd ever made them, but still, you think they'd know how to make them. So, well, for that reason, I can only give these up. Five and a half out of 10. They kind of do taste like a bit of a Kranksky dog hot dog, and, well, the dough is very chewy on the outside. There's a lot more dough than there is hot dog. And, well, the sauce is on there. They tasted all right. I mean, it tastes all right. And I reckon if you're going to go and get some, you're going to enjoy them. They're pretty tasty, and it's definitely something I'd get again. Although if I did go, before you leave the store, just open the box and just check to see if they've squirted the sauce and cheese on there properly. Just to be on the safe side. So you're not disappointed like I was and had to go back and ask for the cheese sauce to be added. But besides that, they're pretty good, and if you go and get them, you're going to like them. Well, I hope this video helps you decide whether or not to try the new pizza dogs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I go to Domino's. Hopefully one day, one of these fast food chains will get my order right. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review